ẹlẹ́ bàbá pósì lọ àwọn tó nílé ayé ti dáríjì wá gàngàn àpáǹdì pòpò àdìfún mọ́tò agége sẹ́mọ̀pò kò kì í ya ìtọ̀ ìgbẹ́ ló máa ń yà ìgbẹ́ káàkiri òun ló pòdúsì Spiderman àsàmà gbogbo ẹ̀gbọ́n. Na him produce am, na him produce brotherhood, na him produce the carry me go prison yo gbasho. They no so glad for me.
Hello legends, welcome to my channel. So guys, on this video you're gonna watch the moment, the interesting moment here. Mr. Portable, the Zazu himself, aka the Spider-Man. Yes, the Afrobeat Spider-Man was spotted is a producer of Panda Beat, a brand new Lexus Jeep. Look at it here. That's why we call him the giver. You know, Mr. Portable is actually good in giving out to the poor, and also those is better than, honestly. Though Panda Beat has been a wonderful producer for Portable, it has been a wonderful DJ for Portable. If you can remember, Portable also mentioned it here that most of his hit songs started from As a Man, Brotherhood, I'm Not a Prisoner, and this latest one, Spider-Man. All of them were produced by this particular DJ or Panda Beat or Popo. Yes, that's the normal name that Portable always call him. And this guy is actually talented. This is DJ. Anytime he's producer, anytime Portable is on his studio, this guy must know a nice beating to give Portable that will suit Portable's voice and the current incidents that will make Portable to drop a new hit song in that moment. Just to watch it here, fans are happy for him there. Yes, and also say that he deserves more than this. That the guy has been good for Portable. He has been making Portable proud, making him to be to easily be dropping a song anytime.
Hey, my producer, I don't see upon the pop. After God na government, táwọn ọlọ́pàá Lagos State fi mí lẹ̀ lóru ẹ̀ ni mo lọ yọ.
Spider-Man.
Ọ̀dọ̀ wọn náà ni mo wà tó fi wá ká mi mọ́. Lóru ọjọ́ tí mo dé mo lọ yọ. Kí tó padà sókùn state, ó ti dáríjì mi lókùn state náà ẹ wá wò. Lẹ́sí ni lẹ́sọ sí. Mo sì máa ra ìtọ́jú báyìí lọ fún yín o. Sandy. Ford, okay, go Kirena for tire. Gaga. Upon the popo. Agege semopo. Upon the popo. Agege semopo. Abaka gaga. Ẹlẹ́ bàbá pósì lọ àwọn tó nílé ayé ti dáríjì wá gàngàn àpáǹdì pòpò àdìfún mọ́tò agége sẹ́mọ̀pò kò kì í ya ìtọ̀ ìgbẹ́ ló máa ń yà ìgbẹ́ káàkiri òun ló pòdúsì Spiderman àsàmà gbogbo ẹ̀gbọ́n. Na him produce am, na him produce brotherhood, na him produce the carry me go prison yo gbasho. They no so glad for me. I'm not a prisoner. Brother, you keep all up, I just all up. After God, you know, government, I just all up. God bless you, no go spy for you. I found the popo, I'm a gay, really wide, no go spy for you. The camera, kill, kokoro, Lexus, okay, kokere, na, botaya. Only taba fún ẹni, mọ́tò, wọ́n tún máa fún ẹni, owó, epo. Ṣe sóoru, ṣe dáhìyọ ẹ̀ṣáàrí. Nínú ogun lògó wà. Àwọn tó ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ wa, wọ́n ti padà sọ congratulation.
Wọ́n ní tálíkà láìkọ̀ọ́.
Tálíkà ló máa ń sùn, olówó ń sùn. Èèlò ni mo ti ní, mo yá ń bẹ lọ́rùn.
I believe you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section and also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, you are a legend. Thank you, you are a legend.